Hello students, today we see the integration of some special functions. Okay, in the last lectures we see the integration by substitution. Okay, here first we see the example. Integrate the following function with respect to x. Okay, here function it is a cos x upon sin x minus a. Okay, here it is a function. We integrate this function with respect to x. Okay, here let integrate cos x upon sin x minus a with respect to x. Okay, see carefully here. Here it is angle x and it is angle x minus a. Okay, it is not in a standard form, so we substitute. But when we put x minus a is equal to t, okay, dx can be written as dt, but it is a sin t, and here it is sin, it is a t minus a. Okay, here when we put x is equal to x minus a is equal to t, then in the numerator it is a t plus a. Okay, cos t plus a and upon sin t, again same procedure, that not in a standard form. Okay, now we know that for the calculation of trigonometric function, see carefully here, cos x upon sin x. Okay, see carefully, sin 2x upon sin 2x, sin 2x upon sin 5x, and we can write it is, suppose, sin 5x upon cos 5x. Okay, here see carefully all the trigonometric function. Here cos x upon sin x, we can write it is a cot x. Okay, sin 2x upon sin 2x both cancel, it is 1. Sin 2x upon sin 5x. Okay, and here sin 5x upon cos 5x, it is a tan 5x. Okay, here the calculation of trigonometric function, calculation of these two trigonometric function exist if there the angle is same. Here x we can write cot x. Here 2x sin 2x both are get cancelled, or sin 5x upon cos 5x, angle same, it is sin cos, the ratio is tan x. But here sin 2x upon sin 5x, angle not same, so we cannot be cancel sin. Okay, or here it is a cos x, cos 5x. Okay, there also cannot be calculate. Okay, to calculate the trigonometric function, we have the angles in the numerator and denominator is same, then we calculate it is a trigonometric ratio or both are the cancel. Okay, in this example there is, we adjust the angle in denominator in numerator. See carefully, here there is angle is no same, okay, different angle, so we adjust angle in a denominator in numerator. Okay, here it is angle in denominator is x minus a, so we can write here cos x minus a, but here it is x, we can adjust, not change. Okay, here x minus a, but in numerator there is only x, so we can write here plus a upon sin x minus a with respect to x. Now here it is cos x minus a and plus, we adjust angle x minus a. Okay, we take it is x minus a is a and remaining angle is b. Okay, we adjust this angle x minus a, we take the adjusted angle, it is a and remaining angle is b, so it is a and it is b. We use the formula cos a plus b. Okay, and we know that the formula of cos a plus b, it is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. We use the formula cos a plus b, it is cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b whole to the upon sin x minus a with respect to x. Now sin x minus a separate both the term because here it is a minus, then cos x minus a into cos a upon sin x minus a minus sin x minus a into sin a upon sin x minus a with respect to x. Now here it is a cos and it is sin, but it is a cos x minus a and sin x minus a. Angle is the same. Okay, so it is cos upon sin. We can write cot, and it is cos a. It is a constant. Now here sin angle x minus a both are the cancel. Okay, if sin a and sin x minus a, sin not get cancelled. Sin x minus a and sin x minus a are cancelled. Okay, therefore here it is cos a, it is a constant. We can write cos a into this term, it is a cot x minus a. Okay, we can separate the integrals dx minus sin get cancelled, it is a sin a, it is a constant dx. And now last here cos a constant and integral of cot a, it is a log of sin. Okay, cos a constant and cot x, integral of cot x, it is a log of sin. It is a log of sin, and minus sin a constant and into x plus c, integral of 1, integral of dx. Here we can write x into sin x, or sin a x into sin a, or sin a into x. It is the last answer. Here our example is in the form of cos x upon sin x minus a. We adjust the angle in denominator in numerator. Angle in denominator is x minus a. We adjust in the numerator. It is x minus a and it is plus a. It is adjustment because the calculation is x. So it is x minus a. X minus a take a and remaining angle is b. We use here a cos a minus b. If here it is a sin, then we use sin a minus b. Okay. Then it is a formula. Then separate. And now it is in the standard form. Cos a constant and integral of cot. Sin a constant, integral of 1. It is a x. Okay. Now we see the next example. Next it is sin x minus a upon cos x plus b. Okay. We integrate this with respect to x. Sin x minus a upon cos x plus b. Integrate with respect to x. Now here see carefully. We adjust the angle in denominator in numerator. Sin, see carefully, it is x plus b. We adjust the angle in denominator, it is x plus b. But it is in numerator, it is x minus a. So this b will be cancelled. We can write minus b. Now here x plus b minus b, both are get cancelled. Only remaining x, but we want to x minus a, so we can write here minus a. Okay, see carefully. Now it is adjustment. Here it is adjust the angle x plus b. X plus b, it is a and remaining angle is b. So we can write this minus b minus a can be written as in the form of, here see carefully, minus a minus b. Take a minus common. Okay, it is a plus b. Calculate this, we get x minus a. X plus b and here minus b. Plus b minus b get cancelled. We can write x minus a. Okay. Now it is sin a and it is b. Sin a minus b. We can use the trigonometric formula sin a minus b. And in denominator with respect to x. Now see carefully. Sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. See carefully this. here we use the formula sin A minus B. Formula is sin A sin cos B minus cos A sin B upon cos x plus B with respect to x. Now again separate the denominator, here minus, we can separate it is, see carefully, sin x plus b into cos a plus b, okay, upon cos x plus b. Separate denominator and separate integral. So here we can write with respect to x minus cos x plus b into sin a plus b upon cos x plus b with respect to x. Okay, here see carefully. Now here sin x plus b and here cos x plus b, angle is same, so we can write here calculation, and calculation is sin upon cos, it is tan, therefore, and it is cos a plus b, it is a constant, cos a plus b, we can write the outside of the integral, sin upon cos, it is tan, cos a plus b constant. Here cos a plus b, cos x plus b, cos x plus b cancel, sin a plus b it is remaining and which is constant, so we can write outside the integral, integral of dx, that is 1 dx. Okay, and last answer, it is cos a plus b into log of sec x plus b tan x, integral of tan x, it is sec log of sec x, it is log of sec x, it is x plus b, minus sin a plus b, it is constant, and integral of dx, it is x, so you can write x into sin a plus b, sin a plus b as it is, and plus c. Okay, see carefully, it is the integral of sin x minus a upon cos x plus b. Okay, now we see next example. Sin 6x upon sin 10x into sin 4x. Here again we integrate this with respect to x, it is sin 6x upon here sin 10x into sin 4x dx. Now it is sin 6x, it is sin 4x, cannot be calculated, sin 6x and here sin 10x cannot be calculated. Okay, so we adjust these two angle in numerator, here it is a 10x and it is 4x, and numerator is 6x, so 6 can be written as 10 minus 4, it is a 10 minus 4, see carefully, sin 10x minus 4x, adjust angles in denominator in numerator, upon sin 10x into sin 4x dx. Then here we use sin c, sorry, it is sin a minus b formula, sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Then here sin a cos b minus cos a sin b whole to the upon sin 10x into sin 4x with respect to x. Now separate sin 10x into cos 4x upon sin 10x into sin 4x, separate denominator and separate integral, minus cos 10x into sin 4x upon sin 10x into sin 4x with respect to x. Now here sin 10x, here angle is same, both are cancelled. Here cos 4x upon sin 4x, angle same, but here it is cos and it is sin, so the rest is cot 4x minus, here sin 4x cancel, cos 10x upon sin 10x, it is cot 10x dx. And now integrate. Integral of cot x, it is log of sin x. See carefully. Integral of cot x, it is a log of sin x. But here 4x. So integral, see carefully. Log of sin 4x upon 4. Okay, here it is a 4x minus log of sin 10x upon 10 and plus c. Okay, see carefully. Here integrals are not in the standard form. Okay, all these three examples. Okay, and we cannot substitute. So here we adjust the angle in denominator in numerator. Okay, see carefully all three examples.